have a very busy day today. Oh yeah. Wake up everyone. So today I'm going to visit my cousin, and he's probably the original person who got me into BMWs. Like, when you see the cars in his driveway, you'll be like, what the heck is wrong with this guy? But we have a good friend that repaints rims and any sort of body parts, and he does custom engine bays, and he's going to repowder coat my rims. And my cousin has a pair of HREs on his M6. Big surprise, an M6 that he wants to repaint as well. So I'm going to drive down to LA to do that today. I am so excited to get these repainted today. Noticed that the lines at all the drive-thrus during COVID are super long. I just don't get it because I'm hungry with COVID. I usually order ahead of time, but at this location they didn't have it, so boys gotta wait in line for his coffee today. My beard's so big it don't fit in my mask no more. So much for PPE, right? I think it looks okay. This is a must. I see a lot of YouTubers on the freeway and they just dip real fast and they don't have any sort of radar. I'm like, man, and like, how can you be going 120 on the freeway and not have no radar? What the heck? So we got a mini BMW, the BMW, let me guess. Another BMW. This guy's intense, man. BMW. What are these two BMWs? That's the M6 and DRIFT. Oh shoot, these are the nice ones. Oh yeah, HRE, what's up? Whoa, M6 brothers. That's what it is. What's under here? This is the cool car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, drift boys. We're gonna be doing donuts with this later or what? You know this guy is an OG because he has his own time machine in his garage. Bro, why are you an OG, man? Cheap. the fitment on these temporary wheels. Not bad. What are these? ESM? I don't know what model they are. The guy had paint these before and sandblast them. You can see how there's just chips. RIP. When you have too many cars, then your M6 ends up looking like this. Still pretty clean in a dirty way though. Those wheels, man, let me buy them.
Then what would I put on this thing?
XXRs. This is my favorite M car of all time. I don't know how I feel about the SMG. Oh shit, man. So, is it coming out?
Not yet.
So we're going to paint this the same color. One side is off. Look at this rust. Sheesh. YOLO, bro. Dang. E46ers. Dude, I'm gonna start a club called E92ers. I love Just Drift. Oh, Remus, DTM Fiberworks, Iski Cams. Wow. Bro, I can't fit.
No, don't open the door. Just climb in through the door.
Climb in?
Dukes of Hazzard style, bro.
What is this? A race car?
Yes.
Jesus. Oh, can't fit. Jesus. Got the M6 wheels off, and we're gonna be sent to the shop. So I hope they look good. I'm going for a color that's pretty unique. I haven't seen competition wheels painted that color. I've been thinking about buying aftermarket wheels, but honestly, I just really like the way the competition wheels look. And you know, I think it's gonna give more of a OEM plus look, even though it's, I guess, already OEM. But so stay tuned. I'm gonna head back home.